Hi everyone, welcome back to mathematics tutorial. I'm teacher Ayan and today's lesson will talk about something used everywhere, which is the data collection. So this is grade 7 mathematics quarter 3 week number 1. Okay, so from surveys to weather reports and then to your social media likes, so everything involves data. So let's find out why collecting data is so important. The collection. So is the process of gathering information to answer questions or test ideas. Ano po yan? Example, if your teacher wants to know who studies best in the morning or in the evening, she might collect data using a short survey. So, bakit ginagawa? Example ha, by collecting kasi the accurate data, we can discover patterns and makompare din natin ang results and makagawa tayo ng mas maganda or we can make smart conclusions. Hindi yung gawa-gawa lang, ganito, ganyan. So, walang direction. So, kung meron tayong um, information or gathering information, mas maganda at mas accurate yung ating data na gagawin. Okay, next. Why data is why is data collection important? Simply, ngayon kasi um, napaka-importante ng data. Okay, let us explore. Una is to make informed decision. Ano yun siya? Example, sa school, school collects data on students' habits to plan better schedule. So ano yun siya? No guessing. Okay? Just only facts. Another is to identify problems. Example sa kumpanya. So, a company collects customer feedback to find out what products need to improve. Sa kumpanya, so kailangan niya ng mga feedback para lalo pa niyang mas mapabuti o mapaganda yung kanyang mga produkto. Another is to track progress. Example, si teacher collect test scores to see who improved and who needs to help. Kasi may mga estudyante tayo na sa una is nag-improve, ngayon is hindi na. And then may mga estudyante na wala talaga improvement, and then may mga estudyante na late na nag-improve. So we can use this one to track progress. Another last is to understand the trends. Example, aring mga meteorologists dyan. So they collect weather data to predict typhoons and rainfall patterns. So hindi pwede na gawa-gawa lang. So without data, we just guessing, and guessing can lead to, of course, mistakes. So meron talagang pagkakamali kapag hinuhulaan mo lang yung panahon. We cannot predict the weather unless kung gagawa natin ng data ito. Okay. Another is we can also, of course, we can apply this one in real life situation. The collecting of data or data collection. So it happens all around us. Example sa school. Okay. Sa school, we collect the attendance. So that is a data. So schools collect attendance data. Ano pa? Sa hospital, okay? They collect the patient data. Kung ilangan pumasok ngayong araw, ganyan, ngayong linggo, or sa isang buwan. What else? We have the data on, of course, social media, on YouTube and Facebook, of course, sa lahat ng platforms. So, social media apps collect data about what we like to watch. And lastly, yung ating mga scientists, okay, they collect data from experiments to find cures, yung mga gamot natin, and of course, the new technologies. So, nag-invento sila. So, they need to collect also data para makagawa sila ng mga bagong inventions. So, napaka-importante ng data sa atin. So, data help us, okay, improve life, learning, and even in entertainment. Another is the methods of collecting data. So there are many different ways in how to collect or collecting data. So magbigay lang ako ng 5. So first is observation. Yes, you need to observe. So watching or recording what happens. Number 2 is survey or questionnaire. So you ask questions for your constituents. Another is, of course, interview. Talking directly with the people. Okay, mag-ask tayo, anong problema, bakit nagaganito ang isang lugar, anong gusto nyong mangyari. So that is the interview. Another, number 4 is experiment. Testing and measuring results. So ito yung result. So gawin nating experiment. And ang bagong yun or ang ginagamit, online data collection using the apps, websites, and digital form. Okay, so is our topic. So let us recap. So let's review what we learned today. So tatlo lang. Una, data means information or facts. Data collection means gathering information. It is or it's important because it helps us make decisions, identify problems, track progress, and understand trends. So, I hope nakatulong itong konting uh, tutorial ko sa inyo. So, and that ends our lessons for today, which is understanding the importance of data collection. So before we need to proceed, before we proceed to research, so we need to define first the data. So remember, good data leads to good decision. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video for more fun and easy to understand math lessons. So see you next time. Sa muli, this is Teacher Ayan reminding you to keep safe always. Ingat palagi. Okay, learn smart and think with data. Thank you so much and have a good day to everyone.